Zavardi Official. Click here to subscribe.
Hey guys, it's me again, Zavardi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, you will learn how to reverse fan rotation into clockwise. Let's go and watch it. And when it's done, just connect it back, but on reverse connection from the original setup. Actually, the folding fan that I bought was in reverse rotation and no air comes out. And if I return it to seller, it costs some money and hassle on our side. So what we did, my husband fixed the issue by reversing the motor rotation so the airflow turned normal. Now it's in clockwise rotation of the fan. I just used tissue paper to check if it did clockwise direction. And that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed and learned from this video. You can share this video to anyone you know that might need this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you'd enjoy this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Shout out Corner.